Hi, I want to go through how to enable the calendar feature on Trello. So by default, in the whiteboard view, you actually don't have the calendar functionality. Here I've already enabled it, so you see the calendar button. So what this button actually does is it gives you these task lists or items in the view of a calendar. So if I push that button, you'll see that some of these items appear on days in the calendar, whereas this view here is more the process flow of the items themselves. So the way you enable the calendar is going to the menu. So I'm going to click on Show Sidebar because currently it's not shown. And there's a menu option. I'm going to expand the menu, and there's going to be a Power Ups option. So when I click on Power Ups, so far there's actually 3 types of Power Ups. One is voting, which allows users to vote on each item. Another one is card aging, and here's the calendar. So I'm going to click on the calendar, and you see if you click on enable here, I already have it enabled, so the option that appears here is disable. So if you click enable here, it'll give you this button, this calendar button. Otherwise by default it's not there. And let me go through some of the other choices that I've enabled, such as card aging. If you look at card aging, what card aging does is it actually gives you a visual cue as to how old an item is without any activity. So normally without card aging, what you see above here is just the normal kind of note cards with no visual cue as to it passing time or not being worked on. Whereas in the bottom here, you see some of these items are actually worn and look pretty much like ancient parchment because they haven't been worked on. So that's just a visual cue that these things are getting old. So those are some of the 2 features that are in the power-ups, and thank you for watching.